Welcome to this demonstration of the Möbius strip, a fascinating mathematical concept brought to life through 3D printing. The Möbius strip is a surface with only one side and one edge. If you start drawing a line along the surface, you will eventually come back to where you started, having covered both sides of what appears to be a two-sided surface. This unique property makes the Möbius strip a popular subject in mathematics and art, showcasing the beauty of non-orientable surfaces. Here, you can see my Bambu Lab P1S in action, printing the Möbius strip. This 3D printer handles the complex geometry of the Möbius strip with precision and ease. The print settings used for this project are optimized to ensure a smooth and accurate print. For those interested in replicating this print, the settings used in the Bambu Lab slicer are available via the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Möbius strip and the capabilities of the Bambu Lab P1S. Don't forget to check the description for more details and print settings. Happy printing!